Right, if you've got one of these showers and you want to get rid of it like I do, but there's no obvious fixing point how it's fixed to the wall. So if you carry on watching, I'll show you how to do it. Right, first things first, make sure the water's turned off. Okay, so the water's turned off. And just grab it by the bottom, lift it up, and it unhooks off that bracket. And get your adjustable spanner and undo the nuts. And that's how to take down a corner shower. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.